I finally took my electric griddle out the box. I've been had it for a week, but I just had it sitting in the box. And I might make some burgers today, I don't know. But this is my new baby I brought. This is a commercial electric griddle. And you gotta be careful with one of these. You just plug it in the wall and stuff like that. Power and heat. And this is the extra grease. I might use it tonight, I might not. But I just wanted to show you guys my new toy. Don't forget to subscribe. Press that notification button so when I'm on, you're on. Comment, like, and share. And this is how I do it. Bye now, till next video.